jointing of the cable, it is also important because of it is actually skill based work. Many times you have to do this job during extension, during fault. You have to do the jointing of the cable, and normally there are chances of getting cable fail at particularly the joint. माझ्या केसमध्ये आम्ही जेव्हा जेव्हा प्रॅक्टिकल गोष्टी बघितल्या, the failure of cable it has been observed near to joint or particularly at the point where we have made joint. आणि बऱ्याच वेळेला असं लोकांना सांगायला लागतं की नॉर्मली केबल फेल आहे, अरे पहिला तो जॉईंट चेक कर, तो जॉईंट चेक कर. म्हणजे these are thumb rules. So cable joint is a skillful job and the experts required to do this with some helpers. So this joint must be safeguarded from dust. ह्या गोष्टी नॉर्मली होत नाही. डर्ट, रेन, मॉइश्चर, वॉटर, जिथे जॉईंट असेल तिथेच पाणी साचलेलं असेल किंवा तिथेच नेमकं पाण्याचा फ्लो असेल तर तिथे डेफिनेटली केबल हे होऊन जातं. ओके, so 6 by 6 meter, that particular you have to do this provision. You have to dug the hole, you have to dug the pit where joint is there, and especially you have to carry, you have to supervise the joint proportion. So you may provide manholes there during your laying of the cable. जिथे जिथे joints असतील तिथे तुम्ही manholes किंवा you may provide the provision so that easily you can attend the cable fault. Especially you have to check at the joint. So most care will be taken for protection of the cable. That particular joint should be water free. Water is major, or moisture is the major parameter. This may cause the heating of the cable. Moisture content may cause the heating of the cable. Dielectric heating, that is what we call. Once the fibrous material or once the water enters into the paper level insulation, then there are chances of huge rise in heat and burning of the cable inside. So you may have such heating. Sometimes you may not have smoke also. Sometimes you may have fumes. So sometimes you may have smell. So you should be able to understand these things before getting this fault served. So you may have cable sections that is joined properly and inspected properly. You may have some identification marks that provided with particular joint with some colors, some tags, whatever. Okay. So in this particular jointing of the cable, you may have straight through joints. So here it is a cable, another cable, and this particular box, and the compound it is provided over insulation. So particularly center is marked at the end of cable. Let's do side by side. Center with the center of the proposed joints, serving and armoring are to be removed. वरचं तुम्हाला काढावं लागेल. You are doing joint with your conductors only. Okay. Then surplus length. Now you have to add all compound. म्हणजे जसं केबल मध्ये आपण इन्सुलेशन टाकतो तसं हे पूर्ण तुम्हाला इथे कंपाऊंड टाकायचं केबल जॉईंटच्या ठिकाणी. केबल कंडक्टर जॉईंट केल्यानंतर. That is very important and that is a skillful work. So bottom cast iron box, असा एक बॉक्स आहे तुमचा तो it is placed under the cable. Spread out the stand, push close together, fit together the strand into each other. You have to bound the strand of the conductor, then you have to join centrally, then you have to grip firmly around each other so that this will be a tight joint. Loose connection, loose joint may lead to continuous sparking and finally heating of the cable. So finally the ends of the strands are pinched. त्याला केबल किट एक असतं आपल्याला जॉइंटिंग किट आणि ते एकदम टाइटली तुम्ही यू शुड एबल टू पिंच टू क्लोज टू कंडक्टर अँड देन यू मस्ट हॅव दिस कोअर्स म्हणजे दोन्ही कंडक्टरच्या कोअर्स jointly such that after the insulation it will look like a entire cable structure. So insulation it is built up to cover the exposed portion of the conductor. So it is visible to you. Okay. So the bottom half cast iron joint box. So particularly the joint box, त्या joint box च्या मध्ये तुम्ही सगळं करताय. Placed in position and secured with the bolting up, and you may have clamps provided over here. Then you may have top of section that can be opened and you can bolt up it. Means especially you can open this section when it is required for particularly the inspection. The compound it is filled inside, it is allowed to set some time, and once finally it is fixed, the box is tapped with the molten compound. So that is what it is shown here in this particular figure. And you may have copper and aluminum cables to be joined. असं शक्यतो करत नाही आपण नॉर्मली कॉपर आणि अल्युमिनियम, but this is a different process. That same current carrying capacity, conductor size for copper may be different than that of aluminum. So jointing this particular two different material cables, that size of conductor must be same as far as possible. Okay. Then copper cable conductor and aluminum. So especially conductor, it is increased by winding the copper wire and stripping, particularly as shown in this particular figure, by a black coat. The joint assembly is finished in the manner similar to that of described earlier, and you may have different type of joint, T-joint, direct joints, twisted joints, any type of joints you can have, cable joints. Then joined by mechanical pressure, that is with the clamping tool. The clamping tool is used to develop the pressure and they are joined under pressure. So the ends of the conductor are joined by after inserting each other, and centrally, particularly you have pressure applied centrally with cable jointer, and it will help. You may have hydraulic pressure, you may have pneumatic pressure. हाताने प्रेस करण्यासारखे machines नाही आहेत त्या. They are operating with high pressure machines. So at that level you can join this. Then you may have flame heat technique. त्याच्यावर तुम्ही insulation जे आहे ते provide करणार आहे, and then you will heat that particular. The system is specially used with a propane gas torch, which is helping this torch hitting the ends of the joint, and you can making that these particular joints more firm. So like welded joints. This is the particular process of jointing. Then you have cable 1, and cable 1 it is going. You have second cable, it is joint. So like this. T joints you can have. You may have direct joint. This is particularly T joint, it is shown. This is conductor, this is conductor, this is conductor, this is jointing material. Okay. And then this entire portion it is covered with the insulation. Okay. Solid type of kernel which is used, this particular slots. You may have reaction of flux in the particular widely employed portion of this particular joint. The soldering that of different composition are used. जर वेगवेगळे मटेरियल असतील तर soldering of different composition that is required to be used. Then cambric tape, it is employed over the protection of the core insulation. No stranded portion of the conductor is to be joined necessarily. You see that it should not be out. A particular example for T joint. Tree म्हणजे त्याच्यात काय म्हटलं? T like shape is there, so it is T joint. Okay. This is particularly tapping, what we can say. सिमिलर प्रोसेस इट इज यूज फॉर ब्रांच केबल ऑल्सो. म्हणजे समजा मला एखादी एक्सटेन्शन करायचं, सेपरेट केबल 1 केबल 2 असेल तर स्ट्रेट जॉईंट करायचं असेल तरी सुद्धा आय कॅन यूज द सेम प्रोसेस. ओके, so like this you can do the cable jointing. Then our this particular major portion, that is design, estimation and costing of ST and LT overhead underground cables. So with this sufficient background, so this whatever we have discussed till today, I think many parameters you have studied earlier. Some parameters may be new to you, but you might have sufficient background with you now to go for design, estimation and costing of ST and LT overhead and underground cables. So this part we will see, we'll start next time. Any doubt? नाही होत. Armoring means it is in the form of strip, not sheet. Flexibility reduce नाही होत. It increases the mechanical strength. आणि फ्लेक्झिबिलिटी म्हणजे असं, केबल म्हणजे यू डोंट कन्सिडर केबल फ्लेक्झिबिलिटी सिमिलर टू वायर. म्हणजे एखाद्या वायरची फ्लेक्झिबिलिटी आणि केबलची फ्लेक्झिबिलिटी इज डिफरंट. अलग लक्षात. आर्मोरिंग इज एक्स्पेशली टू इन्क्रीज द मेकॅनिकल स्ट्रेंथ. कारण केबल तुम्हाला आता वेगवेगळ्या पद्धती आहेत ड्रॉ करण्याच्या. त्या केसमध्ये जर तुम्ही आर्मोरिंग प्रोव्हाइड केलं नसेल तर केबल विल गेट bent and conductors are compared to armoring, conductors are having less mechanical strength, so inside conductor may get break. एवढ्या मोठ्या केबल मध्ये कुठेतरी एखादा कंडक्टर फेल झाला तर तुमची एंटायर केबल विल बी वेस्टेज. लक्षात घ्या, ह्यूज कॉस्ट इज देअर. आर्मोरिंग अँड हँडलिंग ऑफ केबल इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. केअरफुली, जेवढा जास्त हाय व्होल्टेज केबल असेल तेवढं. आणि हँडल करताना आपण सगळ्या मशिनरीज वापरतो. ड्रॉइंग केबल म्हणजे काय हाताने ओढत नाहीये. नाव वी आर युजिंग मशीन्स, नाही का. मशीन जेव्हा आपण वापरतो तेव्हा ते प्रेशर जे काय मला वापरायचं आहे ते जास्त असणार आहे. मेकॅनिकल स्ट्रेस खूप असणार आहे. त्यामुळे यू हॅव टू थिंक. म्हणून तर आर्मोरिंग केलेलं आहे. ओके, एनी मोर? So I think let us stop here for today. Okay. काही शंका असेल तर विचारा, नसेल तर थांबूया. ठीक आहे. मला